Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I have some extreme laundry motivation for you guys. This is going to give you all the motivation to wash, dry, fold, hang, and put away all of the laundry that you guys have to do. And I do have to apologize for my voice. I am coming down with something, but I wanted to bring you guys this video so that you can tackle all of your laundry with me. So I just started with a load of my clothes. My husband had already washed his work clothes, so they were just in the dryer. So I went ahead and fluffed them so that I could get them folded and he could put them away. And then I'm just going to transfer that load of my clothes into the dryer. There were some clothes that I don't like to dry. Some of my sweaters and stuff I just like to hang. That way they don't shrink or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and take care of these. Does anyone else's husband or kids forget that they have gum in their pocket and then it goes through the washer and the dryer? I kept smelling a little bit of mint and I asked my husband, he's like, oh, that shirt, I think there was some gum in the pocket. So you'll see me in a minute. I find the gum and then it's all over my hands and it was just a huge mess. But luckily it didn't get on any of the other clothes.
But me, it doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me ground. Thinking about the way the way you used to hold me. Like a sword in the water singing.
Next up, I had a load of towels and washcloths, and I usually just add a little bit of bleach and run it on a really hot cycle.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quietly next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold.
Now I'm just going to take all of those clothes that I did not want to put in the dryer and go ahead and hang those up. And I also had some more that were on the dresser that I had been forgetting to hang up. So I went ahead and took care of all of those items at once.
Drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me. now. I could spell them out if I still tried.
I wanted to take a second to introduce myself to anyone who may be new. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and I share a ton of cleaning, organizing, decorating, and lifestyle type videos here on my channel, and I would absolutely love it if you guys would hit that little red subscribe button if you haven't already. I have a really exciting Vlogmas coming up and you guys do not want to miss out on it, so be sure that you are subscribed and that you have the post notification bell turned on.
Hold tight, hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go.
The last load that I will be doing today is a load of sheets and some colored towels that I did not want to throw in with the last load since there was bleach in it.
We can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love. Oh no, I don't really care if you don't mind. Don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love. Oh love, I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
Now that all of these clothes are folded, I'm just going to go ahead and put them away, because if I don't put them away right after I fold them, they tend to sit there for a little while, so I try to go ahead and put them away as soon as I'm done folding.
Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no.
I hope this video gave you guys all the motivation you needed to tackle your laundry. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it lets me know that you guys enjoy these types of videos. And again, if you haven't already, please hit the little red subscribe button. I have a ton of exciting things coming up and I would love it if you would stick around. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought